Yeah, we made it to the airport. Just about to go. Well, I've already checked in. Just check in on your phone now. Time to go pick up the new car. With the bag. With the bride bag. We're rocking the goodies. And me and Ella are about to catch this flight to Nelson. And yeah, you're about to see what I'm about to get. What's this called?
A mask.
Well, yeah, but like the print. This is like a cheetah.
Cheetah print.
Feeling like a cheetah this morning. I'm about to go get a munch. And then go fly and get this car. Eat. Breakfast check. What did I get? The go-to. We got a $20 bagel. How's your bagel? Oh, he's got the 3 hash brown. So, announcement, I have to wear a face mask the whole time, but when I want to eat or drink, I can take it off. Oh, it is freezing. We are here. He's actually gonna come pick me up and take me directly to the car. Beautiful, but the wind here is something else. Keep the mask on just so we get some face protection. But yeah, hopefully he's here in the next 5 or 10 minutes and let's go get this whip. So yeah, we just arrived at WS Imports, just checking out the S15. Just gonna chuck it on the hoist, why not? Let's go! Just about to take it for a test drive, had a look over it. There's a couple things with the paint, but I mean, apart from that, this thing is bloody straight. Insurance, pick. Just wanted to make sure before I go doing anything, even go to some photo spots in Nelson. Couple little things here and there. It's got good bones. That's all I need. It's got the straightest sills and chassis rails I've ever seen in my life. Got something. You know I had to bring the essentials. But yeah, let's go see what it looks like. We're gonna go get some oysters. I'm not, but I'll show you. Oh, what is that? Oh, fancy seeing an S15 here. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Check it out, man. Can't believe it. He's done it. He's done it. Oh, you're locked out. Check my big exhaust, man. Hey, you. So yeah, first fill up. 140. We're in the 95. Bit of a neutral slap for the boys. Okay, we're done. That's the clip. Yeah. Sunny Nelson, right? I get what they mean when they say that. We're just about to go get some dinner. I can't even speak right now. I can't believe. He's 15. Boom. PG. We're on YouTube now, but that's the 15, guys. We've got Ella on the vlogs. Just gonna show you what this thing does. It's a beast. Little auto snippet. Can I get out here? We're going out here anyway. First pull for the boys. Fuck, did they hit?
Yeah. Nice facials.
Oh, thanks. Facials with you. We have got the S15. I still don't know what to say about it because I can't actually believe I'm sitting in this thing right now. But we're about to go get some dinner. I got a few recommendations, so we're gonna go check them out. But yeah, just enjoy this with me. This is just amazing. It's a mukbang. I want to see these things. About to eat my favorite thing.
You won't try one.
Bro, just how good does this look, guys? Like, comment, subscribe if you like that
thing.
Should I give it a lick?
You like it?
Oh my god.
Just smell it.
Yeah, the lemon's nice, but go.
I'm cracking through them. Okay.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my gosh. Beep!
Maybe bleep that.
No, it's alright.
My fingers have got lemon on them.
Comment below what we should do to the S15. Should I do wheels first? Low first? Kit first? What sort of kit? Paint? Oh yeah, it's got a bit of sun fade, bit of paint fade on the roof. That's why I've got Big Fezzer with the polisher so we can sort it out. If not, we got Jacob Berry who can paint that. Thank you. But we're gonna go out for dinner in the 15. So it's gonna be a fat ass jalapeno popper. It's not actually that big, that was $10. Onions. Some sauce. Yeah. Right, now we got this thing. Don't ask me what it is. What is that? Beef.
Beef cheek.
Oh, it's got some pickles, some onions, which I'm taking off. I got lucky. It's not actually that hot. And we got the next one. I'm just trying this like beef thing right now. Tastes alright. Tastes pretty good. Keen to get into these though. And then we got some fried chicken. Check the spread. Who's got those? No, we got this. It looks like cream. Bing. I'm about to just wipe all the stuff off the top and eat that. Oh man, it is freezing out here. Oh shit, I think I'm nearly about to get hit. But you finished with it? You can't even see me. But we're out here. Oh, if I go this way, yeah, you can see me.